Hello and welcome to this course on building static sites with Jekyll. And in this course we're going to learn all about the Jekyll static site generator, and we're going to build a whole site together from scratch. Let's take a quick look at what we'll be creating. So here's one I made earlier. Throughout the course we'll be creating this web designer's portfolio theme, which will feature blog posts, each with their own custom data and different categories and tags. We'll also have somewhere to show off each of our projects, and a page where we can tell potential clients all about us and all of our skills and stuff like that, and really kind of show off what we can do. As part of that process, we'll be covering a number of different web technologies throughout the course, including Jekyll, of course. We'll be using Markdown for writing our blog posts and some of our pages. We'll be using Liquid for building out the different templates used throughout the site. We'll be using Sass for styling, and we'll keep the whole project in version control using Git so that we can eventually deploy our completed site to GitHub Pages and take advantage of their free hosting service. In the next video, you'll see just how quick and easy it is to get set up and running with Jekyll, and we'll start building out our project. So I hope to see you then.